This is Yaro. I'm going to show you how to use lead generation tool for LinkedIn to automate your manual tasks. It's Chrome extension designed to save your time and enhance your prospecting results. Let's take a closer look at lead generation for LinkedIn in action. Let's say you would like to send automation requests. After installation of the extension, open LinkedIn Search tab. Select filters to your target audience. Java developer, people, second level connections, location United States. Alright, your target audience is ready. Open the pop-up window, so here the search URL has been transferred automatically to this field. Enter how many profiles to send into CRM. Let's say 20, and click on Collect and Open CRM. Just wait a bit, then it will automatically open the CRM. So you just built the list of users we would like to connect with now. Now we need to enter a message that will be sent along with connection. You can use first name, last name, position, and company buttons to personalize your message. Let's add it last name. Alright. Also, it supports AI to help you to generate a personalized message. You can use actions like rephrase, improve, translate, writing tone, and language. Over 40 languages. Now select how many users we would like to connect now. Let's say 5. Click on Launch. Let's leave it open till it's finished. All actions are done in the background, so sit back or do some work. Your connections with personalized messages are ready. You no longer need to spend time on your routine tasks. Simply create a filter of your leads. AI will help to make personalized message, and CRM will make all tasks in background. Thank you for watching.